Hi, today we will be going over how to record on Google Meets. So, to start off, you'll go to Google, obviously, on your web browser, and if you have a Google account, you'll sign in. And if you don't, then you'll make an account, but we'll sign in to my Google account and type in password. And so we're all signed into my Google account, and then you'll go over here to the top right-hand corner, and where it says Google Apps, you'll go onto it, and you'll scroll down to Google Meet, and this is where it will bring you to the page of Google Meet. And Google Meet is a video chat or just a meeting place for any kind of business, school, any kind of any kind of meeting you need to have. It's a secure service for that. So when it brings you to this page, if your employer or your teacher or even a friend or whatever sends you a link for their meeting, then you can type it in right here or code. But if you're starting a meeting or you want to do a different one or a new meeting, you click on new meeting, and there's a get a meeting link to share that you can share to your teacher, your friends, or whoever that you're trying to meet with. Or you can start an instant meeting like right away. And lastly, you can go down here to schedule in Google Calendar. So we went over Google Calendar last time, and so if we click on Google Calendar, it'll bring up and you can add title. So if we are doing a Google Meet or Google Meet meeting video chat, then then we can put that in there and say it is from 5 to 6 tonight. So we'll do that, does not repeat, and then you'll push join with Google Meet. And that is how it will bring it up. And then once that is done, it has your the link in here, and you'll send it, and you can push free or busy or whatever. And then you can add guests to it so they can click onto your Google Meet also. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed it.